What's the meaning of baseboard? Baseboard. Baseboard.
Baseboard. Baseboard. Baseboard refers to a type of molding or trim that is installed along the bottom of a wall where it meets the floor. It serves both a practical and aesthetic purpose, protecting walls from scratches and abrasions caused by foot traffic while also adding a decorative element to a room. Typically made from wood, PVC, or MDF, baseboards come in a range of styles and sizes to suit various architectural and design preferences. Some common types of baseboards include plain, colonial, and ornate designs. When choosing a baseboard, it is important to consider the overall style and look of the room in order to achieve a cohesive design.